took back our robot vacuum, which we haven't had for very long, and it just started going around in circles and it wasn't emptying itself, so it was a self-emptying vacuum. We just got exactly the same vacuum because it had like really good reviews, and they said that they haven't had many returned, so we went ahead and just grabbed the same one. I think it was on special when we bought it, but this is what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. It has an app and stuff to set it up, so hopefully I can easily set that up again. Let's open it. It is a mop as well, but I don't trust the mop because I don't want my floors to get wet and we don't know that they're wet. Instructions. So now all I have to do is plug it in, let it charge for a little bit, and everything is already in there, like the bin to collect everything. There's a little brush for you to clean out the brush on the vacuum. And when it's finished, it'll back up to this, and this is a suction, and it will suck everything up into the bag, and then you just have to empty the bag and it'll tell you when it's full. We missed a bit to peel. I loved the vacuum. It's probably the best vacuum that we have had. One of the wheels was dodgy on it, so that was the only big issue that we had. And then it started to not collect dust, so I don't know whether it was a fault in the actual vacuum or not, but I'm going to go ahead and set it up. We're putting it in a different spot this time. I've moved a few things around, and yeah, let's see how we go. If there's ever anything that you want to know, you have questions or anything, leave them down below, because I love answering you guys' questions and helping out, especially with purchases like this. I feel like I just have no luck when it comes to robot vacuums or stick vacuums. Something always goes wrong. But this one was really good up until recently. So fingers and toes, everything crossed, that this one will be fine. If not, we've got the receipt, we can return it, but I hope it doesn't come to that. But I'm going to set it up now.